Lesson 9. Hi everybody, I'm glad to see you again. I'm Andressa, and this is the series that's all about business phone calls. Today's lesson is requesting information. Asking for information by phone requires you to become competent at asking questions. This is not as easy as it sounds, as there are many different question types and formats. Many people find it difficult switching quickly from one question format to another. You might be more likely to get the information you want if you give a little consideration to the way in which you phrase your questions. Direct questions are less polite than undirected ones. Indirected questions are constructed using the direct questions preceded by a polite phrase. It is a good idea to use indirect questions early in your telephone conversations and then follow up with more direct questions later. If you are too demanding early on, you are less likely to get what you want. So, let's check today's situation. Mary Braddock, the purchasing director for a large public relations company, is calling a potential supplier for some information on ballpoint pens with printed company logos. These are giveaways that will be handed out to potential customers at an upcoming exhibition. As she has had a bad experience in the past with a branding company sending poor quality pens, she wants to make sure that the product she gets this time is of excellent quality. Mary asks to be directed to the correct department. So focus on the phrases she uses to get general information about the products she needs. Let's check the dialogue. Hello, servicing. This is Andressa speaking. Yes, hello. How are you today? I'm fine. How may I help you? I'm hoping to get some information on ordering some pens with my customer's logo printed on them. Okay, how many pens did you want to order? Well, that's going to depend on the price actually. We would like to get as many as 5,000 possibly. Those cost $2.95 for 10 pens. For 5,000 units, you are looking at approximately $1,500. Well, we have two different styles of pens. Generally, for that big order, people choose the plastic retractable pen with a two-color logo printed on two sides. And what is the other style? The other style is a metal retractable and refillable pen, stainless steel with a one-color logo printed on one side. Those go for $1.95 each, so roughly $10,000 for 5,000 units. Yes, I see. Well, can you tell me about the quality of the cheaper pens? It's a standard retractable ballpoint pen, comparable in quality to what you might find in a shop. Yes, well, the issue here is that the last time you ordered pens of this type, the quality was quite poor. Our customer was understandably concerned about having his logo on the side of such a low quality pen. Yes, well, for 29 cents a pen, you can't expect top quality. If it is quality you are looking for, I would suggest going for the stainless steel pen. Could you possibly send me over a sample of each pen so I can show them to my customer? We generally don't send out samples unless we have an order placed. Maybe you could bring your customer here to have a look? No, I don't think that would work. Okay, great. Just one more question. What's the lead time on your orders? For the 5,000 plastic pens, approximately 2 to 3 weeks. Roughly the same for the stainless steels as well, though sometimes they can take a bit longer. Would you like me to send you a quote? Not just yet. I'm going to call a few more suppliers first. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Okay, thank you. You too. The politeness of a request depends on a number of factors, including the situation and who you are speaking to. If the situation is informal and you know the person you are speaking to well, you can use more direct request structures. But if you are speaking to a subordinate, you can turn the request into a command. In most situations, in business, however, you should use a polite request format. Never issue a command to a customer, colleague, or superior. This will be regarded by native English speakers as rude and offensive.
No!
So, to summarize, generally speaking, the more indirect the expression you use, the more polite you will seem. If you are too direct, you might be considered unpolite. However, the more indirect expressions can sound too polite. When deciding which expressions are suitable for which situations, it is useful to ask certain questions. What is the relationship between the speaker and the listener? More direct expressions are often used between friends or when the speaker is in a position of authority. So, ask again, how important is the action to the speaker? Usually, the more important the action, the more indirect the expression. Remember that. And how much inconvenience will the action cause for the listener? If, for example, the listener is being asked to make a lot of effort or do something which they do not usually do, the speaker will probably use a more indirect expression. In this lesson, you'll learn how to request information. So remember to always be polite when requesting info. That's the main lesson from this video. On the next video, you will learn how to finalize agreements. So thank you for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys!